Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Lamike. Welcome to today's 5 minutes yoga session. Today we're going to be focusing on twisting, detoxing, letting go of anything that's not serving us in our body, in our lives, so mental, mind and body. Without taking too much of your time and without brabbling a lot, let's get started. Meet me in hero pose. So kneeling down as you see me, tucking your belly button, sit up tall. And just take a couple of breaths. And I welcome you to set an intention for your practice. Inhale and exhale through the nose. You'll feel a stretch at the back of your feet. And if your knees, if you have knee problems, you could do this on a blanket. And if the back of your feet are also not yet, if they're tight, you can sit with a pillow between. That helps for the strength. That helps to release the strain on the back of your feet. But this is excellent way also to get the back of the feet stretched. Okay. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, let's take our first twist. Left hand comes to the right knee. Right hand goes to the back. You can place your hand on your lower back or on the mat, on the floor. Inhale to sit up tall. Exhale, turn your shoulders towards the right. And you can follow with your gaze. Remember to smile and to breathe. Next, inhale, lift your hands all the way up. Right hand onto left knee and the left hand to the back. Smile, don't forget, sit up tall. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist to the left, tuck in your belly button. So imagine a wet washcloth, the squeezing action, removing all the unwanted water. So we're trying to remove the unwanted toxins in our bodies. Inhale to lift up tall. Come up to all fours and come directly into a low lunge. We'll find a low lunge twist. So right leg is in front. Bring your hands on your knees to find your balance. And if you feel stable enough, you can stretch your right hand to the back. Option to lift your right hand hanging in the air or bring it onto your left knee. So do your best to listen to your body, tucking your belly button. Come up tall. The next inhale, come back to center. Bring your hands onto the mat. Right leg goes to the back. Left leg comes onto the front. Find your low lunge here. Straight line between knee and ankle. Come up to your knees. Bring both hands on your knees. You can stay here and just turn onto the left or stretch your left hand to the back. Option to lift your left hand here or to bring it onto your right feet or between your ankle and your knee. You know what I'm talking about. Tuck in your belly button, shine your heart, twist to the left. And if you have some thoughts that are not serving you at this moment, let go of them. Limiting beliefs. Inhale, come back up. Bring your hands onto the mat and find Shavasana. So lying on your back, we are going to take one more twist here before we go into our end relaxation. So stretch your your left leg, hook your left knee with your right toe and let your right knee fall onto the left. Stretch your right hand out, or you can cactus your arm. We want to lift both shoulders on the mat. And just guide your right knee towards the mat. You may have your right knee on the mat, but make sure that the more your right knee sinks, both shoulders are on the mat. That both shoulders stay on the mat, especially your right shoulder. Excellent. Inhale to come up. Stretch your right leg. Left leg bends. Hook your left toe onto your right knee, onto the back of your right knee. Cactus your arms or stretch your hands out depending on how much space you have. Use your right hand to guide your left knee towards the mat. I always find it that I go deeper in stretches, in twist on the left side, especially on the line twist. So listen to your body. Inhale, exhale, Let go of all that's not serving you. 2 more breaths. And release the twist on this side. Stretch out your legs. Shavasana. Our 5 minutes are up. You have the option to repeat the session if it felt good, or to jump onto one of my other 5-minute yoga sessions. I'm going to leave you here. You have the option also to stay longer in Shavasana by pausing the video and just staying here and relaxing your body. Thank you very much for practicing with me. The light and the love in me recognizes the light and the love in you. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute session, and if that's the case, do let me know in the comment section. Leave me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next week for a yoga session. Wish you a beautiful day.